Hey guys, so I had a little trouble with the gearbox on the car, so I think it's actually the flywheel's rattling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the engine out and just have a look and see what's happening.
I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so bad. Swimming in the river takes too much. We try to let go of us, but the truth is what's real and no one else.
Sad annoying part of the video is I fit this clutch and I went to test the pedal and nothing. It just didn't engage. I thought that maybe I'd done something wrong, took the clutch back out, took the engine back out and refitted it again and still nothing. So it turns out that a few UK model V5s and I think there's a few Australian ones had a pedal restrictor to stop the pedal going down low enough to engage the clutch. So in the end I decided to go with a TTV flywheel and an RS4 clutch. It was quite more expensive, but I really didn't want to take the engine out 4 times, so that's what I did.
I can't sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep, yeah. Am I just your little seed?